So the title for tonight is going to be Setting Up a Digital Dental Practice. When is the right time? So this is actually my own question that has been going on for the past couple of years, because I was also really hesitant to set up my office as a digital setting because of many reasons. So today we're going to discuss, or I'm going to just share my own experience, how I built up my own office, like what made me do all those decisions, and how I have been doing with the digital dentistry so far. We have the question is, when should we buy it then? Well, different people make different choices in terms of buying those products or adapting some new technologies. Today, I'm going to share with you the idea that I had, because at the opening, I was really hesitant to bring in those systems to my office. I'm not that kind of an early adopter, but I'm going to tell you what affected me to make my own decision. Think about the pros and cons or concerns. The pros, obviously, is efficiency. So we don't have to make the conventional impression, wait for it to set, send it out to the lab that will be pouring the stone. So patient will feel that maybe this office is a little different. So equipment list, there's so many, right? I'm just go over quickly with my clinical cases. I think this will help you even more. So you make the crown and then try to fit them. However, I call it a first stage fabrication. However, there's always an error. Instead, what I do now is